Well, things never go as planned, so we didn't get what we wanted done, but we did get the inside of the barn situated with all the rabbits and the structures for that, and then we built a bunch of shelves inside there. So now today for the garden, we're going to go get mulch and compost, because we ended up having to order hardware because we can't find the hardware. The anchor plates are gone, the clips are gone, the screws are gone. We ended up having to order stuff in. So we're waiting on that so that we can build the high tunnels, and then we'll get growing. But in the meantime, mulch and compost. So that's what we're doing today. We're getting mulch and compost. Mulch. So this is the mulch. It looks like it does have a little bit of trash in it, but that's not unusual. When we had the tree trimmers dumping a bunch of their wood shavings in Idaho, it also had trash in it. You just have to pick it out, and it's not a big deal. But this is the Back to Eden gardening method that we used in Idaho for water conservation. We used mulch in high quantities, nice and thick. It suppresses the weeds. It keeps the soil moist, even in the hot parts of the summer. So we ended up getting about 10 yards of compost and 30 yards of mulch. This is for the Back to Eden gardening method that I used in Idaho. It is a water conserving technique where you use mulch to insulate the ground, and it retains moisture for a lot longer. We ended up having to put one whole load over there, and we kind of got caught, so we pulled it out of that area and made it pretty thin. But anyway, so did a lot of loads, but I'm glad we're done, and this is going to be amazing. So we'll see you again next time. Bye.